Now, the world continues to battle with the deadly coronavirus, with many uncertainties about what the future may hold for them. So far, there have been more than 3.2 million cases and 230,000 deaths around the world. The United States is now the worst affected country with more than 1 million cases, but what will the future look like when the virus is brought under control? Well, perhaps we can take a glimpse of the future in Wuhan, the central Chinese city where the whole pandemic began. Esther Hu is a resident. She went through this period of lockdown and is now free to move about. Esther, thank you for speaking to us. Tell us, how do you feel now that the lockdown has been lifted in Wuhan?
Hello. When it just started, I felt very happy about it, and also I can say it was not easy. We have overcome it, and now we are able to move around. I think it's very good.
So are there any restrictions, or is everything back to normal, the way things were before the coronavirus was discovered?
For now, all of us, if we want to move out, we need to apply the green code first, which it means that you have not been to, you have not been infected, or you have not get in touch with someone who has virus before. Then you can move around. And also, for those who are going to work, like you have a necessary reason, then we can leave the community and work around.
Now, we've been hearing some reports that foreigners are being treated differently. Is this true?
What you are talking about, I know it's not in Wuhan. From last Sunday, every foreigner in Wuhan, they can apply the green code. As for now, I have not seen anything different here in Wuhan, but maybe other cities, because of the policies or the new cases, they have been taking some compliment.
Okay, so what was the situation in Wuhan with foreigners before last Sunday?
Now they can apply before they need to apply the healthy certificate from the community, like the paper, not in the phone. But now all of them can apply the green code through the app.
Okay. So tell us about life in town, in the city centers, and has everything returned to normal? Are you seeing crowds going to the malls and the supermarkets just like things were before?
No, supermarket and malls are open, but there's a limitation for the amount of people, and also everyone, no matter where you get in, you need to scan the code, and then the security will check if it is green, then they will allow you to enter.
Now, China operates a communist system, but did people lose their jobs as a result of the coronavirus in Wuhan?
I believe they are.
So what has the government done about those who have lost jobs or lost businesses because of the coronavirus?
Okay, they can apply the insurance of losing the job, the refund, and then the government also helped them to find a new job during this time.
So what was the first thing that you did when the lockdown was lifted in Wuhan? What was the first thing that you had missed so much that you went out and did as soon as the lockdown was lifted?
Actually, I didn't get what I want after the lockdown lifted, because the first day when I went out, those shops, they have not opened.
Right. What did you want?
But now, a cup of coffee.
Wow, I can imagine. Coffee from your favorite coffee shop, right?
Yes.
So how are people generally reacted? You know, now that the sanctions have been lifted, I mean the lockdown has been lifted. Have you found that people are a bit more cautious? What are some of the things that have changed forever in the way people do things in Wuhan?
Okay. For example, when we are outside, we care about the social distance too much. I can see people in the line, but they were not close. They are very far. And then I can say some of the people, when they see another one is coming, they will move away, like to keep the distance.
Do you still hug your friends and the close relatives and people that you know when you meet outside?
For now, I haven't.
Even though they all have green codes, you still don't hug them?
And it's not that I don't hug them. It's like this special time we forgot that we should hug, or when we meet we should hug, because we still need a mask. So not even shaking hands.
Wow. You think that's how things will be forever?
No. I think one day when we can remove the mask, then it will change.
How about travel? Is it easy to travel in and out of Wuhan to other parts of the country?
The other part of oh, you mean within China? Yes, if they are going to work in other cities, they can move around. They can get the proof and then leave Wuhan.
So you can get a code if you need to go to another part of the country?
Not only the code. For that one, I think some of us need to do the test.
Right. How easy is it to get tested if you want to do a test?
Most of the hospitals can do it, so we can go there and then do the test. We will get the results the following day.
There are still some people with COVID-19 in Wuhan, right? Or is everybody now cured?
Okay, from last Sunday, I don't remember the exact date, but last week, now we don't have any patient in the hospital now. So I can say in this part, Wuhan is virus-free, but we cannot relax because we still have some people, they are under the medical observation.
Wow. So maybe a few more weeks and you will be sure that everybody is virus free.
Yes, because of the lockdown. So for now we don't have any import cases. That's why we are free.
How will you feel if there is a need for another lockdown?
I don't think there will be another lockdown.
Okay.
But if, in case another time has come, I think I will just follow the rules.
Esther Hu, thank you so much for speaking to us today. It's been a delight. Thank you. Well, so that's a glimpse into the future. If everything goes well, that could be Ghana's story if we are also able to contain, control, and get rid of the coronavirus.